Yeah, sorry, Judge.
36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, eating, sleeping, driving. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Ms. Soroki, and good morning.
Morning.
Mr. Barry, Ms. Horn,
Yes.
and Mr. Trevor.
Good morning, Judge.
Yeah, you were the last one.
We'll start with Mr. Ramirez.
Vamos a empezar con el señor Ramírez.
Okay.
This is the people versus Verandamaro Ramirez. Ticket number P1288921, count one, driver's license never acquired, count. I think that's it. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with the interpreter, Ms. Vivian.
Este es el caso de las personas en contra Damuro Ramírez. El caso es SP 1288-921. El cargo es que nunca consiguió licencia. Introducciones, empezando con la intérprete. Good morning, Your Honor. My name's Antonia. My last name is Vivian, Spanish English interpreter.
Good morning, Ms. Vivian. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to interpret English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do.
Ms. Soroki, are you on the stage?
Yes, Your Honor. Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Ramirez.
Soy Pauline Soroki representando al señor Ramírez.
Mr. Ramirez, can you say your name, sir?
Señor Ramírez, diga su nombre, por favor.
Mauro Antonio Ramírez Miranda.
Mauro Antonio Ramirez Miranda.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Your Honor, I did have the opportunity to view Mr. Ramirez's veiled license. I'm moving for dismissal of this matter.
Su señoría, yo tuve la oportunidad de ver la licencia del señor Ramírez que es válida, entonces muevo adelante para renunciar a este caso.
And Tamika Horn, appearing on behalf of the people of the city of Detroit.
Tamika Horn representando a las personas de la ciudad de Detroit.
No objection, Your Honor.
Yo no tengo ninguna objeción, su señoría.
With that, you stipulate the probable cause, Ms. Soroki?
So stipulated.
¿Y usted, señora Soroki, estipula a la causa probable? Sí, estipulo.
So this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Ramirez, and good luck to you, sir.
Este caso va a ser renunciado sin prejuicio. Usted ya está listo, señor Ramírez. Buena suerte para usted. Ya terminamos
Okay.
esta audiencia.
Okay, thank you
Okay.
so much.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.
Adiós. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. All right, Ms. Clerk, you ready on it?
I'm ready on everybody I have.
Okay, I'm gonna close the room.
I wish there should be time to close them out. Just
Okay. Everyone, please remain quiet. We're about to open court. Everyone, please remain quiet and turn on your video. Everyone, turn on your video and please remain quiet. Everyone, please remain quiet. Oh, you're gonna have to find somewhere to have it, Mr. Reynolds.
They might do.
36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking around, talking, sleeping, driving. When your name is called, please unmute your devices and give your full attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor. Have a seat, Mr. Robinson.
All right, this is the people versus Kendall Dye. Ticket number, and everyone, when I call your case, please let the attorney state their name first, and then you say your name. Ticket number 21737063, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, and ticket number SP 1342877, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Kendall Dye.
Say your name is Di.
Kendall Dye.
Your Honor, the people made a recommendation to my client. They would offer a delayed sentence on the allowing the unlicensed driver to drive, the other tickets being dismissed. My client's waiving her rights, asking the court to adopt that.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Di. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
You can put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still want to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of September 7, 2021 at 4:25 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the Cass and Warren and possibly Woodward as well, in the city of Detroit?
yes,
No, I'm sorry. Let me rephrase that. On September 7, 2021 at 4:25 p.m., were you the owner of a 2024 vehicle?
yes,
Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
yes,
And was that vehicle stopped in the city of Detroit?
yes,
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
And dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence, Ms. Dye, so you will have 3 months to pay a $200 fine. You cannot get any more citations or tickets, so essentially no further police contact. If you do all of that, when you come back on the next date, which I believe is gonna be January 25th, make sure. Yes, January 25th at 8:35 is your next court date. When you come back, if you paid the fine, you've had no further police contact, then this will be dismissed off your record. Do you understand that?
yes.
Did you have any questions, ma'am?
No.
Okay, so you're all set. Good luck.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Lemire and Russian.
Your Honor,
Number P1306307, drive with revoked license, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number SP 1298002, count 1, drive with revoked license. Count 2 is no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3 is drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Mr. Russian.
Mr. Russian, say your name, sir. You're muted, unmute yourself.
Lovera Russia.
Your Honor, I had an opportunity to relay the pretrial offer of the people to my client. He's going to return with a driver responsibility class. We'd ask for a pretrial date.
Oh, no. Pretrial.
Okay, so the pretrial date will be November 9th at 8:35.
Mr. Russian, come back with your certificate showing you completed that class on November 9th.
Um,
5.
I'm supposed to pay the tickets, right?
No, not yet.
Can I just get served for the tickets? And that way I won't have to come back to court.
Mr. Russian, the city attorney was going to dismiss all your tickets but one and amend that to fail to display no points. So if you want
Okay,
to
no
plead guilty
problem.
today, you'd have to plead to several tickets.
Okay, no problem.
And you get a mandatory suspension for that license violation.
Oh no, I don't want the suspension. I'm sorry. I'll
You're-
come back with the class.
That was November 9th, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am, November 9th at 8:35.
Same Zoom number, sir.
So you're all set, Mr. Russian.
All right. Thank you. You said November 9th.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
This is the People versus William Robinson. Ticket number P1291314. Count 1, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record. You know what? He has other ticket. What is he doing, Ms. Horn, Ms. Soroki or Mr. Berry?
Who are we referring to here?
Who's doing William Robinson? Marvin Robinson?
I didn't talk to Marvin. I talked to Zachary Robinson. I can handle it, Your Honor. Sorry, I didn't know.
So I don't see an offer in here. It's a driver license suspended, but he also has an illegible or defaced license charge.
I can't see him on the screen. Mr. Robinson,
Yes,
did you want to resolve your tickets this morning?
yes, I do.
We can recall it. We can wait to see if Ms. Horn can give an offer for this.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Okay, Mr. Robinson, we'll be back with you.
Okay.
This is the People versus Jalen Ross.
Ready, Your Honor.
Ticket number SP 1215351. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., P28880, on behalf of Mr. Ross. State your full name, Mr. Ross.
Jalen Ross.
Your Honor, the people have agreed to dismiss this matter. Mr. Ross has valid documents.
You stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Berry?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Okay, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Ross. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank
you. You're welcome. People versus Pauline Dadsey Weeks.
Yes.
Ticket number P1254749. Count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of Ms. Dodsey. State your full name, Ms. Dodsey.
Pauline Dassey Weeks.
Your Honor, Ms. Dodsey would avail herself of the people's offer to allow her to plead to as charged on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence.
Ms. Dadsey Weeks, raise your right hand. You have to tell me when it's raised. I can't see you, ma'am.
Yes, my hand is raised.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Knowing that you're pleading guilty, no. You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
I'm sorry.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of September 28, 2021 at 10:35 a.m. On that date and time, were you the owner of a 2015 Honda vehicle?
Yes.
And was that vehicle, did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes, ma'am. I had just had a hysterectomy surgery, and I had came home and I was on restriction for 6 weeks to not drive. I was in a lot of pain. I asked my brother to go right up the street to CVS to get my medication, and that's when the accident occurred.
Okay, and was that, so that vehicle was stopped by or the police dealt with that vehicle on that date and time in the city of Detroit?
I'm sorry. Say that again, please.
You said there was an accident, so the vehicle was, the police addressed that vehicle on that date, time in the city of Detroit?
Yes. My brother said he was driving and someone caught him, and so he ran into the pool. My brother ran into the pool. He did not hit anyone, but the person jumped and he tried to swim, and that's when he ran into the pool. And so he called the police.
You're satisfied, Mr. Berry?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. We'll proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence, Ms. Dadsey Weeks. So you have till January 25th, 2023 at 8:35. That's gonna be your next court date. You need to pay a $200 fine. And you need to not allow anyone else who's unlicensed to drive your vehicle. You need to not get any tickets or citations, any violations, so essentially no further police contact. If you do all of that, you've paid the fine, you've not had any further police contact, this will be dismissed off your record, okay?
Okay, so I have up to January to pay the
You have to
200, or?
Yes.
Okay.
You need to pay
Thank
it by your next court date, which is January 25th at 8:35. That's your next court date.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, you're all set.
Okay. All right, bye.
This is the People versus Zachariah Robinson, ticket number P1154181, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, drove while licensed, not valid or improper license, ticket number P11833493, count 2, no insurance, I'm sorry, count 1, drive while license suspended, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Robinson.
Say your name, Mr. Robinson. You're muted. You need to unmute yourself, sir. Mr.
Hello.
Zachariah, you're muted. Look on the bottom left-hand corner. There's a microphone. You need to tap that, sir.
I got it. Hello?
Yes, say your name.
Zachariah Robinson.
Your Honor, Mr. Robinson would like to accept a plea agreement at this time.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Excuse me?
You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Ma'am, excuse me?
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 1st, 2021 at 2:46 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near 7 Mile and Fenmore in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2001 Honda vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend the counts that failed to display. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be
So
dismissed.
stipulated.
Dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to. There's going to be a fine, Mr. Robinson, of $200. Can you have that fine paid by November 30th?
November 30th. Yes.
Did you have any questions, sir?
Can I get a discount on that? I'm on SSI.
Do you need additional time, sir?
Can I get a discount, please? Can I get a discount?
Would you like to do community service in lieu of the fine?
Community service?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So it's gonna be 20 hours of community service. You got a pen and paper? I'm gonna give you a phone number.
Can any way I can call about the rest of the tickets I owe for community service?
You got other tickets?
Oh, you don't see them.
I didn't look for them. I'm only.
Oh, I'm
looking for
sorry.
one.
I'm sorry, beautiful. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, this the phone keep messing up. What's the phone number, ma'am?
The phone number is 313-965-81.
Oh, can you repeat that again? I couldn't.
31
This phone messing up. Hello?
313-965-8130.
All right.
So you got 20 hours of community service. That is, you need to have it completed by November 30th. That's also going to be your next court date.
Oh,
Yeah, you got to come back.
if I don't pay the money, I have to come back to court. Hello?
No, you don't have to come back if you pay. So what you want to do, Mr. Robinson? Do you want to pay or do you want to do the community service?
I do the community service.
So you have to come back on November 30th at 8:35. That's your next court date. You need to call that number as soon as you hang up here. Call that number to get your community service set up.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, November 30th. Okay. You said November what? I'm sorry.
November the 30th.
Okay, now I'm sorry.
November
Thank
30th.
you. All right, I'm sorry. Thank you.
Well, good luck.
Damn, I wish I could have did that with all them tickets. All right.
This is the people versus Mario Davis. Ticket number P1169326, count 1, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, improper place. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mario Davis.
Say your name, Mr. Davis.
Mr. Mario Davis.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation to Mr. Davis. He's going to avail himself of that.
Is it improper place?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Judge.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, Judge.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, Judge.
You're pleading of your own free will? You're pleading of your own, you're muted, Mr. Davis. Oh, no, you're not. Okay,
Okay.
you're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, Judge.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, Judge.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, Judge.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still want to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Judge.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of February 24th, 2021 at 4:30 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Gratiot and St. Joseph in the city of Detroit?
Yes, Judge.
Were you driving a 2007 Lincoln vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
Yes, Judge.
You're satisfied, Mr. Rogi?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court's also satisfied with the factual basis, will accept the admission. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Mr. Davis, there's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by November 30th?
November 30th. Yes. Yes, Judge.
Okay. Did you have any questions, sir?
Yes. To whom do I pay?
So you can pay it online, or you can pay it over the phone. I can give you a phone number whenever you're ready. There's kiosks around the city and CVS and Myers called DIVDAT, D-I-V-D-A-T. You can pay it on the kiosk, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it.
Okay. So I can come down to 36th District and pay it?
You can, sir.
Okay. Did I still need that number you was gonna give me?
If you want it, if you want to do it over the phone,
Well, can I take the number and if I need to come down, I'll come down.
you can take the number.
Okay, I'm ready whenever you are.
It's 855-798-1547.
I got 855-798-1547. 1547. Now I need to have that paid before November the 30th. I come back to court on November 30th.
No, you don't have to come back. You just, that's your due date for having it paid.
Oh, understood. Thank you. I can work with that.
Okay. So you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
How do I hang up?
You can hang up, sir.
Okay.
All right. Bye. This is the people versus Javelda Dodson, ticket number U56710720, count one. Is this some kind of controlled substance offense? Good morning, please say your names for the record.
I'm sorry, what was the last name, Your Honor?
This is Dodson.
Oh, it's mine. Pauline Soroki on behalf of Jovella Dotson, Your Honor. She's here on a review, I believe. So she indicates she made her last payment. I don't have that much information, but that's what.
Ms. Dodson, say your name, ma'am. She's on the phone and she's not answering. So do we need to recall hers or?
If it's just a payment, I would ask the court and it's made to proceed if there's no other outstanding matters without her. I don't see her on.
She made a $200 payment.
I move the matter be closed.
This matter is closed out.
Thank you. Ms. Dotson, if you heard us, you're free to hang up. Your matter was closed out today.
I'll remove her. Maybe she'll call back.
This is the people versus Javel Dixon. Ticket number P1350348. Count two, driver license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Old S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Dixon. State your full name, Mr. Dixon.
Bill Dixon.
The prosecutor is recommending this matter be dismissed, Your Honor.
Are you stipulating the probable cause?
So stipulated.
That is dismissed without prejudice. And I see that you are dressed up, Mr. Dixon. Thank you. The court really appreciates that. Shows that this is important to you. So good luck to you, sir. You're all set. Your case is dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
People versus Edward Davis. Ticket number P1335606, count 1, failed to display valid operator's license on a person. Count 2, improper plates.
Your Honor, Pauline Sirocki, behalf of Edward Davis.
Mr. Davis, say your name, sir.
Edward Davis.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Davis is entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for December 9th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor. It's on Zoom, sir. Come back on Zoom that morning.
Mr. Dixon, remove your hat.
Okay.
You're all set, Mr. Edward Davis. You can leave.
Okay, thank you.
This is the people versus Samuel Reynolds. Ticket number B1231362, 2, count 1 nuisance. Ticket number B123137222, count 1 dogs at large. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Pauline Sirocki, on behalf of Samuel Reynolds, Your Honor.
Mr. You need to unmute yourself, Mr. Reynolds. Look on the bottom left-hand corner. There's a microphone. All the way at the bottom left-hand, tap your screen. You should see a microphone at the bottom left-hand corner. It's next to the video. Turn your video back on. Mr. Okay, next to, you had yourself unmuted for a quick second, but you keep turning, okay. You're unmuted, but your video is off. Say your name, sir.
What happened to the video?
You turned it off.
I turned it back on. Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Can you say your name?
He's back muted. You're muted, Mr. Reynolds. Just tap the microphone. You gotta practice this, Mr. Reynolds, before you come up here.
On the bottom left, there should be a red microphone.
Yeah, all the way to the bottom corner.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah, just say your name.
Samuel Reynolds.
Your Honor, Pauline Sirocki, on behalf of Mr. Reynolds, at this time he's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Reynolds.
Can you see me?
Yes, we can see you.
Okay, I can't see y'all. Oh, all right, bear with me.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yeah.
Are you saying yes?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive the right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
So the court is going to continue your not guilty plea set for a bench trial for December 9th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
December 9th at what time?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that'll still be the Zoom, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you're all set.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You had Jesse. Oh, here it is. There's one more case that we have here. William Robinson. He has two charges. I don't think we have an offer on it. If you can hear us this morning.
Didn't we do him, Your Honor?
No, we called him, but then we realized he had a case in warrant status.
Okay.
And I can hear you, Your Honor. What's the defendant's
So,
name?
right, it's illegible or defaced license and driver license suspended.
Okay, and we can do FTD on one of those, Your Honor, and dismissal of the other.
Okay. Did you hear that, Mr. Oki?
I did. He's not. William Robinson?
Hi, how you doing?
Hi, so you have two matters. One is a suspended license. The city attorney is willing to amend that to failing to show a valid license is no points and dismiss your other ticket. Would you like to do that?
Yes.
We're ready, Your Honor.
Right, and Your Honor, one more time.
Robinson, ticket number P12911314, count 1, driver license suspended, and ticket number P865539, count 1, illegible or defaced license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Pauline Soroka on behalf of Mr. Robinson.
Say your name, Mr. Robinson.
Yes.
Did you say your name?
William Robinson.
Okay. All right, it's my understanding Mr. Soroka wishes to avail himself to the offer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Roki about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
Nope.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Going to direct your attention to the date of January 3rd, 2022 at 10:23 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Hannah and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2007 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied.
Court's also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining ticket to be dismissed.
Okay. Yes.
Mr. Roki, you stipulate the proper cause?
I did.
All right, it's, the remaining tickets dismissed without prejudice will proceed to sentencing. There's a fine, Mr. Robinson, of $200. Can you have that fine paid by November 30th?
Yes.
Did you have any questions, sir?
No.
You're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank
All right, this is the people versus Octavia Robinson, ticket number P134712, count 1, driver register or entitled vehicle. Count 2, driver license suspended, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka on behalf of Octavia Robinson.
Ms. Robinson, say your name.
Octavia Robinson.
Your Honor, Ms. Robinson's entering a plea of not guilty, requesting a bench trial date.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. understand you have the right to a jury trial?
I couldn't hear that.
Do you understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by giving a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, so the court's going to continue your not guilty plea set up for a bench trial for December 9th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, this is the people versus Jesse Ritchie Jr., ticket number P1289488, count 1, drove a license not valid or improper license. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka on behalf of Mr. Ritchie.
Jesse Ritchie.
Your Honor, I believe there's a recommendation to dismiss this matter. We would stipulate to probable cause.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Ritchie. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Y'all have a nice day.
You too, sir. What happened to Jalen Ross?
Jalen,
He was here. It was supposed to be dismissed for valid documentation. You want to just call it?
It was.
Jalen Ross was dismissed without prejudice.
Oh, I did that one already?
We called it at 10:38 a.m.
Oh, we did. Oh, you stamped it. Okay, thank you. Well, it looks like that is it.
well, no, we have